If the student is between the ages of 13 and 18, you do not give triangles. You give this test, which is number 13, block counting. Okay, no matter what the age, you start with sample A, and you tell the student this picture shows blocks in a pile. Each block is just like this. How many blocks are there in the pile? The answer is 3. If they're incorrect, you tell them there are 3 blocks in this pile, 2 on the bottom and 1 on top. You repeat, so how many blocks are in the pile? Okay, regardless of their answer, you proceed to sample item B. How many blocks are in the pile? There's technically 4. So if the student says any other response than 4, you read from here and say there are 4 blocks in this pile, 1 on the bottom. There are 3. One of the bottom blocks is hidden behind, and there's a block on top. So how many blocks are there? If they still do not understand, what you need to do here is demonstrate using these blocks. Okay, you teach them until they've mastered it. Then based on their age, you go to item 1 if they're between the ages of 5 and 10, or item 7 if they're between the ages of 11 and 18. Okay, how many blocks are there? You continue to go through. Okay, if the child or examinee does get to item 27, okay, there is still a time limit which begins at item 20, but based on the answer, you can score them. If they get the correct number for item 27, which is 10, you can give them 2 points. If they say a 9 or 11, you give them partial credit.